Hey all, today I want to showcase a great American-made company in a category that we really don't talk about ever on this channel, but we recently just published some new research on allamerican.org about this unique home decor, and that is wind chimes. So I actually really wanted some wind chimes for my back patio, and while doing all of the research for our article on allamerican.org, I came across a really cool brand that I actually picked up some wind chimes from, and that is Perfect Pitch Chimes. I'll show y'all the set that I picked up from them in a minute and do a little sound test for y'all, but first, just want to give you a little overview of who Perfect Pitch Chimes is and what makes their chimes unique. Perfect Pitch Chimes got started in 2003 and handcrafts all of their wind chimes in their home state of Indiana. Everything's actually handmade by the local Amish community who uses a lot of traditional techniques that have been passed down through generations. And outside of the incredible craftsmanship, I think there is a couple of things in particular that set these wind chimes apart. First is the materials that they use. Perfect Pitch Chimes uses weatherproof, powder-coated aluminum tubes and UV-resistant tops and strings to basically make their wind chimes indestructible in adverse outdoor elements. I've only just now set mine up, so I'll definitely report back in a few months with how they fared, but just reading reviews from other customers, it seems like they've had pretty much zero issues with rust and rotting, which is definitely something that is a concern for a lot of your cheaper, mass-produced wind chimes, but it seems like these Perfect Pitch chimes are really going to hold up well over time. And they also have a lifetime warranty to back them up, which also includes free repairs. As long as you ship it back to them, they can repair it for free and send it right back. And the second big differentiator of Perfect Pitch chimes, in my opinion, is the musical quality. All Perfect Pitch chimes are individually hand-tuned to musical scales, so you're not going to get this kind of general clanking that you might get from a lot of other wind chimes. These actually sound really nice. I'll show you a little sound test here in a minute with the wind chimes that I picked up, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video for that. And what I also really appreciated about Perfect Pitch Chimes is they actually have sound samples for all of their wind chimes on their website. So I'll put a link to them in the description below for y'all to check out. But if you go to any of their product pages, you just click the little play button next to the variation of wind chime that you want to hear, and you get a little sample of what it is going to produce. Now for me, I wanted something a little bit more serene and nature inspired, and so I went with the Rustic Rhythms wind chimes, specifically the 44-inch Forest Edge variety. All of their wind chimes have a bunch of different lengths that you can choose from, which obviously affects the musical tone that you get, so make sure to take your time, listen to each one, and pick whichever chimes really resonate with you. Alright, let's head outside and see these wind chimes and do a little sound test. Alright, here are the chimes I picked up from Perfect Pitch Chimes. Like I mentioned, I got their Rustic Rhythm series, specifically the 44-inch Forest Edge variety. So I'm going to hold the mic up to these wind chimes so y'all can get a sense of what they sound like. Sounding pretty serene and comforting, right? I am really excited for these. They're going to be a fixture and great musical background in my yard for years to come. Let me know in the comments below if y'all have any questions on Perfect Pitch Chimes, and if you're in the market for some new wind chimes that sound great and won't rust, Perfect Pitch Chimes is an amazing American-made manufacturer to check out. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video.